I want to talk to you about why putting light in your ears is a amazing solution to low energy and low mood, particularly during the winter months, but any time of year, because light therapy works. Now, what am I talking about? Light in the ears. Here we are. This is a human charger, bright LED headset. You just put it around your neck, take the earbuds, stick it into the ears, and this light is going to send a signal directly into your brain. What it's going to do is help you to feel as if you were outside in the sunshine, being exposed to natural light, supporting your circadian rhythm and allowing you to feel more naturally energized, right? To feel naturally uplifted, particularly in the winter months. If you live in a northern climate, or you're very light sensitive, or you live in a place that just tends to not get a whole lot of sunshine, then listen up. Of course, circadian rhythms and energy and mood and sleep, these are really, really foundational pieces of our health and our performance, right? If you're not sleeping, your brain is not going to work the way it's supposed to. Neither is the rest of your body. If you're not getting activity, physical activity, and getting outside, again, your brain and body will not work how they are designed to work, will not feel as good as they are designed to feel. Of course, there's simple free things you can do. You can go outside, you can take a walk, you can make sure to expose yourself to natural daylight as often as you can and as early as you can in the morning. Now, if you're in a place like I am, it's almost 7 a.m. and it is still pitch dark outside, and this will remain for the winter, right? It only gets darker and darker and darker up until December 21st. Now, many of us really feel the drain of our energy and our lower mood, seasonal affective disorder, or seasonal depression. This becomes really common and it becomes a really big issue if you've got work to do, you've got family to care for, you've got people that are counting on you, team members, employers, employees. You've got people that are counting on you to show up and to be at your best and to have the energy and the clarity to function and to serve and to perform. And so, given that we can't go outside in the morning to early morning and get sunlight the way that we can in the summer months, something like this, a tool that is super convenient, super easy, portable, travel friendly, it just becomes a good idea. Not to mention, if you do travel a lot across time zones, you can reduce jet lag by up to 50% simply by using this device a few times in the days leading up to your travel, and then also using it again during travel and for a few days after. And it's 12 minutes a cycle, a couple times a day. It's super easy. You can do this while you work, while you walk, while you work out, while you wake up in the morning and make your cup of coffee. You can do this anytime, right? The whole thing is super lightweight and just easy and portable. And so if reducing jet lag by up to 50% so you can have your brain and your energy back is important to you or to your company or to your colleagues, your team members, then again, this is a good idea. This is the best insurance you can have to support mood and energy all winter long. Last thing I want to say is that there's a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you try the device, you test it out, give it a good thorough chance for 60 days. If you're not satisfied, if you don't think it's done anything for you, then just send it back. But I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think what's going to happen is what has happened for me since 2018. As soon as we get to about October is when I start to use this thing every single morning. It just sets the tone. So if you are in the Great White North, such as I am, and you want better energy, you want more mood support, you want to feel your best and perform at your best all winter long, you want to have energy in the mornings before the sun rises, this is the thing to test. Just grab it, give it a shot, 60-day money back guarantee. I have not seen anybody not be satisfied yet. And perhaps this becomes your best feeling winter that you've had in a long time. That's what I want for you. That's what the team wants for you. And that's what this device is designed to allow you to have. That's what I want for you. So get it now before the holidays. Start using it immediately and make December, January, February some of your best winter months on record in terms of your mood, your energy, your general sense of well-being. And to do so in a chemical-free, stimulant-free, side-effect-free fashion. I can't think of a better way to do it. So go ahead, grab one and enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions, concerns, etc. And I will be happy to ship you one out from my supply here all through Canada. No matter where you are, we will get one to you. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer those as well. Ciao for now.